Libraries is your team's single source of truth, guaranteeing everyone builds with the latest approved designs. They allow you to save and reuse pages, sections, and components across all your projects, helping you and your teams scale consistently branded web content. Let's dive in how to create, use, and maintain a library. To begin, open the project you want to convert into a library. Once open, navigate to the content panel on the left and select the Add menu icon. Choose the library icon and then select Use as Library. Within this menu, you'll first need to set the scope. Libraries can be shared with your entire account or a single team. Next, review the library overview. It's important to ensure you name your assets clearly. This makes them searchable and easy for users to identify. When you're happy with the settings, select Create Library. Your new library will now be available to users based on your selected permissions. When you add a section from a library, you'll use the latest approved version, boosting build speed and eliminating design errors. Start by creating a new project. Within the editor, return to the Add menu within the content panel on the left. Under the Libraries header, you'll find all available libraries. Hover over the library's name to reveal a panel showcasing all available sections and components. Select a section by clicking and dragging it onto the canvas. You will always insert the most recent design. With the section added, you can now make edits to the content, for example, text, images, videos, or shapes. Insert full library pages for instant launch speed. You'll get the complete, up-to-date page structure automatically, leaving you to focus only on the content. Within your project, access the Layers panel on the left. Click the plus icon beside the Pages header and select Library Page. A new menu will appear, prompting you to select a library page. You can use the navigation at the top of the menu to filter and search within your libraries. Select a library page. Assign a page title and page path. Click Create to add the new page to your project. With the page added, you can now go in and update the content as required. After making changes to your central library, you can push out updates, meaning users will get the most up-to-date version of the library's design components. Start by revisiting the original library project. Make design updates, for example, change fonts, colors, or reposition elements in a key section. Once complete, select the Push to Library button located at the top right of the editor, next to the Preview and Publish modal. A menu will show an overview of the changes, and you can also adjust access permissions here if needed. Select Push Update. The next time a user adds these design components to a project, they will instantly receive the most recent version of the design. You now have an idea on how libraries streamline your production workflow and how the relationship between a library and projects work. In this video, we covered creating a library for consistent reusable assets, using sections and pages to accelerate project builds, as well as maintaining and pushing updates so everyone has the current design. To summarize, libraries are a fantastic way to speed up production, create consistency of branding across multiple projects, eliminate manual copy and pasting, and maintain up-to-date resources for all users.